Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Satish, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Akshay College of Engineering Technology. Today we are going to see the subject GE3792 Industrial Management, Unit 1 Introduction to the Management, Topics Principles of Taylor's and FAYOL. Introduction to the Management Principle. The principle of management proposed by the Frederick Taylor and Henry FAYOL are the foundation to the modern management theory, while the both contributes significantly to the field. Their approach and focus were the different. In this next slide, we are going to see about the Frederick Taylor scientific management. The Frederick Taylor is known as a father of scientific management. His principle is aimed to improve the economic efficiency and labor productivity through the systematic study and analysis. Here the key principle of the Taylor scientific management. Once again, he is the father of the scientific management. He have given some principles, and if we follow that principle, definitely we can achieve the goal. Definitely we can improve the economic efficiency. First principle, they is telling about the science, not rule of thumb. The decision should be based on the scientific study rather than the traditional practice or personal judgment. This involves carefully analyze two tasks to determine the most efficient way to perform them. For example, in a manufacturing company, analyze the assembly line process for building a car by studying each step. They determine the optimal time it takes to install a door. Instead of recycling of workers of previous experience, they implement a standardized method based on this analysis and leading to increased efficiency. These type of the things we have to do, then only we can improve the efficiency. Next, scientific selection of the worker. The worker should be selected based on their ability and skill. It's very important. The worker should have the ability. For example, in tech company, they are assessing them to evaluate the potential software developer, coding skill and problem solving ability. This is mandatory for them. While hiring itself, we have to check whether they are having these skills and all. Then the tech company who score those who are coming to the tech company who scores above the certain threshold, and they ensure that they have the best talent for the job. Next, training and development. Once a worker was selected, they should be trained to perform their task in the most efficient manner. Here the example, if you are running that restaurant, the restaurant implements a training program for the new servers. They provide the hands-on training, role-play scenarios to teach them to the most efficient way to take orders and serve them for customers, leading to the faster service and improving the customer satisfaction. Next, standardization of tools and procedures. Tools and work process should be standardized to ensure consistency and efficiency. This includes the developing standardized method for performing tasks. Here for this giving some example, in the packing company, you can see the standardized types of boxes and packing material used for all products. This reduces the confusion among the employees and the speed up for packing process. You can see if you're buying the 250 gram, they will use the red color box. Means if you want 500 grams of sweet, they will give in a blue color box. If you go to the sweet shop, if you're asking 12 kg of laddu, means they will tell, they will, what they will do means they will have in the different types of boxes. According to the weight, they will change the boxes. Here next is a time study, a very important one. The Taylor advocated for the use of time studies to analyze the time taken to perform the task and identify the most efficient method. Okay, for example, in the call center, conducts a time study to determine how long it takes the agent to resolve the customer issue. Okay, if they're taking 1 hour or they are taking the 24 hours, like that, you have to study. You have to study the time, how much they are taking to solve the issues, customer issues. Next, work specialization. The work specialization is a specialization task allows worker to become more skilled and efficient. In a bakery, one worker specializes in the making the dough, another in baking, the another one third person in the decorating. The specialization allows each worker to become highly skilled in their task, increasing the overall productivity and efficiency. Okay, next, seventh one will be the perform based pay. If you want, the tailor proposed that workers should come compensated based on their output. Okay, if one person is giving the more output, definitely you have to pay more compared to the others, which would intensity higher productivity. The sales, if in the marketing company, what they will do, they implementing the commission structures where the sales representative earn bonuses based on the number of sales. Okay, these are the things shown by the Frederick Taylor. This is the scientific management of principle. Next, we are going to see the Henry FAYOL administrative management. There are the 14 principles. The Henry FAYOL is a French mining engineer and management theorist. He's focused on administrative aspect of management. He given the 14 principles which provide the framework for organizational management. Okay, first, the division of work. The division of work specialization lead to increased efficiency and productivity as workers become more skilled in their specific task. For example, in a hospital, doctor, nurse and administrative staffs have clearly defined the roles. The division, okay, definitely the doctor will inspect and he will tell what to do next. You have to go for the surgery, definitely doctor only will do. The nurse will support to the doctor. Okay, here the divisions allow each group to focus on their expertise, improving the patient care and operational efficiency. If the doctor is doing the administrative work, means definitely there will be no division of work in that management. Next, authority and responsibility. Okay, definitely the manager should have the authority to give the order, but they must also bear responsibility for their action. The project manager in the construction company is giving the authority to the decision making about the project, but is held accountable for meeting deadlines and staying within the budget. Next, discipline. Employees should respect and adhere to the rules and agreement that govern the organization. The retailer store established a clear policy regarding employee attendance. Employees who fail to adhere the policy face consequences, ensuring the disciplined work environment. Okay, if the company or organization is giving the some rules and regulation. Definitely the worker have to follow. Next one is unity of command. Each employee should receive the order from only one superior. To avoid the confusion and conflicts, they will take a single window system. What you have to do means, definitely you have to get the orders from your manager only or supervisor, not from the other worker, co-worker. Okay, this is the unity of command. Next, unity of direction. The organization should have the single plan of action for all activities aimed at the same objective. The objective should be the same. The single mission statement that guide all the activities and projects. The alignment ensures that all team members work towards the same goal. Subordination of individual interest to the general interest. Okay, for example, the tech startup, the employee are encouraged to prioritize team goal over the personal ambition. Okay, here the interest of the organization should be take precedence over the interest of individual. Okay, here the organization goal is important. Okay, next, remuneration. Compensation for the employee should be fair and satisfactory to the both employee and the organization. The company regularly reviews its salary structure to ensure that the employee are compensated fairly based on their roles and performance, their job satisfaction. Next, centralization. The degree of which the authority is concerned or dispersed within the organization should be balanced according to the specific circumstance. Okay, the large corporation the companies will centralize its purchasing department to negotiate better deals with the suppliers while allowing individual departments some autonomy in the day-to-day operation. Okay, in the large organization, there will be the purchase department. Only the purchase department will buy the needs to the other individual departments. Okay, the centralization is important. Next, the scalar chain. There should be the clear chain of command from the top organization to the bottom. Okay, in universities, okay, they will follow the hierarchy. Okay, the first will be the principal, next will be the department head, and then the faculty members. Okay, this is the scalar chain. Next, orders. There should be the orderly arrangement of resource and personnel to ensure efficiency and effectiveness. The warehouse implement the systematic inventory management system, organizing product in a logical manner that makes easy to locate and retrieve. Next, equity. The manager treat employees with fairness and kindness to foster loyalty and commitment. The company promote the culture of fairness by ensuring that all employees have equal access to training and advancement opportunity regardless to their background. Okay, there should be no partialities. Next, stability of tenure. High employee turnover is detrimental to organization stability to personal lead of better performance. Okay, this the technology frame involves the employee development program to reduce turnover. By offering career advancement opportunity, they retain skilled employees, which enhance organizational performance. Next, initiative. Employees should have encouraged to take initiative and contribute to the organization goal. Definitely, nowadays the software companies encouraging the engineers to propose new future of their product. Employees who take the initiative to suggest and develop the new ideas, they have recognized it and they have giving more rewards to them. Okay, these are the initiative. The spirit decops. Thus, promoting the team spirit and unity became the employee enhancement, moral, and corporation. The team building retreat is organized by the company to foster the company employees are working together. The activities should design to promote the teamwork and cooperation, help to build the strong sense of community, leading to improved moral cooperation within the organization. Conclusion. Here the Henry, Taylor and FAYOL. In the practical scenario, the organization can enhance their efficiency, productivity and overall management effectiveness. These principles serve as guide to manager to create structured and efficient work environment that benefit both employee and organization as a whole. Okay, there are the Henry and the FAYOL. They have lasting the impact on management practice. The Taylor scientific management focused on optimizing efficiency and productivity. Meanwhile, the FAYOL administrative management, totally how to manage, that emphasize the importance of the organization structure and role of the manager. Okay, thank you so much.